Yes, Tesla stock is still crashing and there's not a single bullish signal indicating that it found a bottom yet. However, Tesla reached a critical support level and it feels like it is now or never. If Tesla wants to avoid a sharper correction, we must see it reacting as soon as possible above this support level. Otherwise, we are just gonna collapse to the next support area. Therefore, in this video, I will describe in detail the kind of reaction Tesla would need to do in order to reject this bearish scenario, the key points it has to break, and we are gonna talk about the next support levels on it just in case. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. First, yes, Tesla did a quite treacherous movement over here. We see a false breakout from the previous resistance level at $200, this green line over here. That was a very good bullish signal. We did trigger a bullish pivot point, a higher high, higher low. Everything was pointing towards a continuation of the bullish momentum, at least to the next resistance area, which is around 211, 217 over here, this yellowish area up here. However, this week, the market was quite crazy, right? We saw many weird movements. The market did a clear top signals everywhere, the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and Tesla is following this bearish sentiment. It is collapsing this week, and right now we are losing the support level, the key support level at 187, this red line over here. If you ask me, in my humble opinion, as a retail trader like everybody else over here, in my humble opinion, I do believe that there is still time for a reaction. Not all hope is lost in this scenario. However, what Tesla needs to do in order to reject this bearish scenario? We gotta see, maybe tomorrow, maybe next Monday, we gotta see a very strong, powerful, bullish candlestick over here, closing above the 187 again, preferably closing above the 21 EMA. And only in this scenario, only if we see that kind of reaction, I believe Tesla will bounce again to higher levels, maybe even to retest this yellowish area over here, breaking the previous top level at 207. That's a real possibility. However, as long as we don't see any meaningful bullish signal, there's nothing else to do but wait. Right now, we don't see any bottom signal. There is not a single bullish structure. We only see bearish candlesticks. Today, we see another bearish candlestick. We are about to close under the support level at 187. So we gotta see as soon as possible a very good bullish reaction. If such miraculous reaction occurs, then okay. Then I believe Tesla is going to resume its bullish sentiment, because the sentiment, mid-term speaking, is still bullish, right? Tesla is still kind of doing higher highs, higher lows. It is quite problematic to see it, Tesla trading so dangerously near the previous bottom level over here from March 28, but still, the bias is still slightly bullish, but we gotta see a bullish reaction to confirm this thesis. Otherwise, Tesla will just resume the bearish sentiment and try to retest the next support levels, which we're going to talk about later in the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we are kind of in a congestion, moving erratically, dancing around the 21 EMA. There is the possibility of a bullish pivot point, right? Because Tesla did a bottom over here, did a top, and then we found a bottom at 162, this area over here, and right now we are bouncing again. And as one of you guys said, it did a three white soldiers candlestick pattern over here in the weekly chart, which is most of the time a bearish structure. It does work most of the time as a bearish, as a bullish structure. And in theory, we are supposed to break the previous top level at 217, triggering a bullish pivot point, a higher high, higher low. That would be the first higher high, higher low since the beginning of the bear market in November 2021. That would be a fantastic signal, a very, very good signal. However, this week we are just losing momentum. The 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern is still valid. It was not completely rejected yet. What could potentially reject this 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern in your opinion, Nathan? Well, it is not necessarily my opinion, but if Tesla actually finds a top level lower than the previous top level around 217 and loses the previous bottom level around 163.91, then we're gonna trigger a bearish pivot point, another bearish pivot point, just like it did over here, right? In this scenario. Maybe you may say that, oh Nathan, that was a double top chart pattern. Well, either way, they are both bearish structures. So if Tesla loses the previous support level around 160s, I believe the bear market will just persist, and in this scenario, we could easily drop to much lower levels, which I'm gonna describe to you guys right now. First, remember, for options, strategies, model portfolios, daily premium analysis, join the top 5% community, check my newsletters. The link to my website is in the description of this video. Now, back to Tesla's chart over here. Well, short/mid-term speaking, the next technical support level is not the 160s, but the 176 over here. This support level, this support area did work as a support level 1, 2, 3 times in the past, in the last month. Maybe it is going to work again as a support level. Only if we lose 176, then okay, then probably we're gonna seek the 163 area and potentially even lose it, because there is still the earnings gap over here around 146 that Tesla could fill if we actually reverse this bullish sentiment. Right now, it is quite hard to say that, oh, it is a bear trend, because we have yet to see lower highs, lower lows, right? This is why I'm telling you guys, there is still hope for a bullish reaction, because the momentum is still bullish. There is no lower highs, lower lows yet. We are potentially doing a lower low in this area, but we don't see a lower high yet. Therefore, it is not officially a crystal clear, meaningful bear trend in the daily chart yet. It could be, and this is why it is very important for us to monitor the 187 support area very, very closely. It all depends on how we are going to react in this area. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla stock. Therefore, if you are still not my subscriber, come on, you watch it so far, why not subscribe to this channel? You liked the video, and click on the like button as well to support me. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.